Yo! What's happening? Alright, you wee dick? Huh? Yo! I'm gonna call you Stephen. You look like a Stephen. You dare walk away with me? I buck your see. Oi! Get your arse back here, boyo. You may have wings, but I've got a cock. And I heard you're a rooster. So you go, cock-a-doodle-doo. That's just telling me you're DTF for a good old nobbing. Wee wanker. Where's your mates? There's loads. Holy fuck, I didn't even notice there was about 8 of them over there. Yo, Stephen, look at me. Holy fuck, your eyes are going wild. Here, mate, I didn't realise there was fucking... Mate, not even joking. I don't know if your mates are fat, but they look like fucking dinosaurs. Like, I swear to God. Here, you know the way you've got a beak? Does that mean you got a pecker? Are you gonna peck my pecker, boyo? Here, Stephen. Stop ignoring me, you wee wanker. Are you gonna peck my pecker? Fuck you, well. I'll just turn the video off. You dick. Fear to the beard. Fear to the beard. You don't even have a dick, I looked. You don't even have a fanny either. You've just got loads of fellers on a foot. What the fuck's a foot good for? Cheerio.